Today I have managed to hijack who is very close to me, who is actually someone special to me. I call him my boss, Karan Shah from IID. He's my mentor and definitely he's my boss.
You are the real boss, man.
Did you ever thought that you'll get a chance to sit with your student in a podcast?
Actually, never as such. This is like a reverse Uno. It's a Uno reverse.
I remember one parent coming to me and saying कि यार तुम digital marketers ना बुद्धू बना दो.
Don't blame the person who's offering that low quality course. Rather blame the person who's trying to buy these and has to map their intent and their research correctly. Seller तब है जब buyer है.
Don't you think? We are creating operators more than marketers.
If you don't understand marketing, you will never be successful in digital marketing. Rules change every year, every 6 months, and that's why a lot of these institutes fail. Core research, context, consumer behavior, messaging, the right communication, competitive research. ये चीजें अगर एक marketer ने नहीं सीखी पहले, तो यार digital marketing तो बहुत दूर की बात हो. Then he is just a tool operator.
So today I have managed to hijack who is very close to me, who is actually someone special to me. I call him my boss. And I have got Karan with me, Karan Shah from IID. He's my mentor. Because of him, I started doing digital marketing. So let's see how it goes, guys.
Thank you, Vineet. You are the real boss, man. Thank you so much.
Did you ever thought that you'll get a chance to sit with your student in a podcast?
Actually, never as such.
Yeah.
It's a Uno reverse. So actually, it's a very good feeling and a very proud feeling to actually be hosted by you and your entire team. And it's fabulous to be here and it just feels very nice. Thank you, Vineet.
Means a lot. Thank you for coming. So before jumping into any conversation related to the industry, this 7 years feels like 14 years to me. Everything has changed. I think with a God speed. How do you see this change? Because I remember the last conversation I had with you. You told me we need focus on performance. I'll just focus on performance. Then suddenly after a year, I started focusing on content. Achanak se creators boom aa gaya. So our father used to say that, a generation change after like 15, 20 years. But right now, I think every 5 years, a generation change.
Every 5 years, every few months.
Few months, yeah.
Every year, everything is changing.
Yeah. So looking back into our past conversation before 7 years, how do you see this change? Like, बहुत कुछ बदल गया है.
You were a student at IID. The year was 2018. I still remember in my class what I was teaching you was Facebook like ads.
Yeah.
Facebook page like ads is what we were teaching that time. And from Facebook, it had moved to Instagram, to Snapchat for some time. And after that, now everything went online. COVID happened, which is why more and more people went online. But now I think 100 crore online Indians. The creator boom has happened, which is amazing. Everyone's creating content. We actually have a campaign now at IID called EPIC. EPICC. It means every person is creating content. So now we ensure that students, teachers, everybody's creating content. AI is here, man. And that's drastically changing efficiency for across the entire digital marketing world. So in this field, what I've learned is that if you are not updated, you are out.
When I started doing digital marketing, I remember that skill was something related to a skill where I'll do something in digital marketing. But after 5 years, it became like a survival skill.
Yeah.
Because it's not just about who is from जिसको digital marketing में job करना है या agency करनी है वही करेगा, but everyone has to do it.
I think at a basic level, it's like computer.
Yeah.
At a basic level, everybody needs to know how to use Excel, PPT. So I think at a basic level, a fundamental of digital marketing, everybody needs to understand. Now, a guy who wants to super specialize in finance, he doesn't need to know the super speciality of digital marketing. So that's a different story. And then those who want to super specialize will have to learn advanced strategies in digital marketing, which I think is not survival, which I think is for the people who want to make a career in it. But base level, everyone needs to learn now.
And so when we actually talk about AI, you know, every 3 months some other tool is coming. So, you know, how do we cope up with that change? Because some of my employees and students learned some tools. They took some 3 months and they, you know, mastered the tools. And after a month, learning which they had, they were just using some different tools. How do we cope up with this?
It's absolutely fine, right? Just imagine the days, because sometime back, if you remember, Facebook ads is all we learned. Facebook then became Instagram, Instagram then became Snapchat. So again, the platform kept changing. But the core understanding of what is audience, what is demographics, what is psychographics, you know, how do you target them, what will the ad format look like, those basics remain the same. कोई भी platform ले लो. So it's like prompt engineering आना है आपको. How do you write the right prompt is far more important than which platform you're writing the prompt.
So, but I think I am blessed because after me, AI came into the picture. And right now, if I talk to my students or talk to my employees, so they don't actually have that contextual thinking the way we used to have because now they have AI. How do we do that like nicely, you know?
So I really think that AI is for efficiency improvement. That's my first takeaway on AI. So if you leave thinking to AI, you're out. If you leave optimizing to AI, you're gold. I think that's the bottom line over there.
When it comes to AI especially, the world is going crazy because I started working on a real estate module, something related to AI. I cracked the tool and I thought that अब मैं बहुत बड़ा आदमी बनने वाला हूँ. Then next day जो मैं tool crack किया वो plot कर रहा था.
Yeah.
फिर मैंने बोला तो अब वापस it will take me 5 years to be a millionaire.
It happens every day, man.
Yeah, it's so fast.
Every day. There is a story on something like this every day.
And so, you know, I want to thank you not because of my agency that I started agency or a real estate company or an institute. I want to thank you for the most important reason. I don't know you remember that or not, but you told me one thing. For me, a good pitch is like a good concert. That's how I see a good pitch. So if you remember 2018, you came to our class and you pitched us.
Sure. Yeah.
You remember?
Yeah.
So I was sold not because of the subject.
Sure.
I was sold because it was Karan Shah.
Thank you, man.
What do you have to say about this, you know?
About what? About my pitching?
Yeah.
Look, it's a skill that I've learned over many years. I have been public speaking from the year 2011, since I began my first entry into education. And over the years, I've genuinely learned the right tricks to hold an audience, to motivate an audience, to make an audience think in a specific format. You know, and I can do that right now on the show live. I can show you a trick, and that trick will work for anybody. So one of my best tricks when I am actually public speaking is, instead of telling you, I'll try it on all of you guys over here. Want to try?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Okay. Do you guys want a high-paying job or a low-paying job?
High-paying job.
That's it. That's the trick. Okay. Do you guys think that internet in India is cheap or very expensive? Okay.
So you know the answers.
So the trick that I use in public speaking very often is that at every 60-second intervals, I will always ask one question and मैं ही उसके 2 answers दूंगा. Right? और एक आंसर उसका बहुत ही stupid होगा और एक आंसर उसका correct होगा.
Correct.
Obvious होगा. उससे क्या होता है? You differentiate yourself from a good public speaker and a bad public speaker or an average public speaker, because an average public speaker will ask you a question which is, what do you want in your future, or what kind of a career do you want to make? Now, when you ask an audience of 100 people, what kind of a career you want to make, everybody will have different answers. But if you want to hold the audience in your palm, then you have to ask them, do you want a high-paying job or a low-paying job? अभी audience कुछ भी और नहीं सोच सकता है, वो लोग एक ही आंसर सोच सकते हैं. तो ऐसे over the years, I have crafted so many questions in my mind, which I ask every 60 seconds.
Okay.
It was tuning ho gaya, automatic ho gaya. I think practice just gets you better every day.
So I think what you spoke about is something related to substance, but how about the delivery, the modulation, the dialogue?
Yeah, I mean, those are things that I have learned. Like, I know that if I,
Especially modulation.
yeah, like if I know that if I want to grab my audience's attention, I will never speak loudly. My voice will become very soft suddenly because then I know everyone's listening. And this trick of mine just keeps working. And then I'll go high, I'll go low. So, and then I have pauses. Like before I want to reveal the biggest secret, I will just pause, you know. So I've learned all of these things and I've watched a lot of people online. I've attended a lot of talk shows. And every talk show, every time I see a speaker, उसके कंटेंट से ज्यादा what I take away कि उसकी स्टाइल क्या थी.
Correct.
You know, उसकी स्टाइल क्या थी. So I remember very young in the year 2012, I'd gone for a talk show and that lady who came on the stage, she had some power words and her power words were I, something like that. AYE. Make
Yeah.
I. And I just learned, and she used to keep making the entire, it was a European audience, and the entire European audience was saying, I, you know, like, yes.
Yeah.
मैंने उसको translate कर दिया. I said, you know, I'll make it yes. क्योंकि इंडिया में I क्या लोग बोलेंगे नहीं.
Correct.
So now in IID, in any class you go, you ask the audience, you know, whatever's going on, everybody will say yes. Like we have these two words.
So who is your favorite speaker in India?
In India,
Yeah.
you really want to know? See, globally, I'm not really sure. But in India, it's very funny, and it's funny to say it on a podcast. But I love Modi. It's weird to say this. Not, I mean, I don't have any affection from a political angle in this view.
But his oration is something.
But his oration skill, you know, TV से भी मेरे को goosebumps आते हैं, right? वो जो है, वो मजा है. Like his pauses.
His pauses, I think,
His pauses,
game changer.
yeah. Like and long before him, there used to be another politician called Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Yeah, obviously.
Yeah, their pauses, their muhavre, you know, how they use anecdotes and then how they go high and low. It's just very fascinating for me to see those kind of things. And of course, there are multiple celebrities, Bollywood celebrities who are great. I love it when Amitabh speaks or when Shah Rukh speaks. They have this style of cracking. Like Shah Rukh will have a lot of wittiness in his style of talking. He'll crack a joke on you also and समझ में भी नहीं आएगा कि तेरा joke.
I think Shah Rukh is phenomenal.
Yeah. So, I mean, I've learned, it's just across the board, I've watched multiple people and just learned how to create those emotions when you're speaking.
Yeah, I think we're talking about public speaking here, but I also want to focus on, so because I think I am what I am because of my pitching today.
Yeah. You're a great pitcher.
I think, sir, thank you for that. But I think someone has a good idea. They're quite good in their content. My idea is not that good, but the way I'll present the idea will be better than him, so I'll win the game.
He's been saying this since 2018, okay?
And I think I'll still say this after 10 years also. Because
And it's true. It's true.
And I have seen while you actually deal with the client, if you're not able to articulate,
You're out.
you're out.
Yeah. You're out.
Matlab idea acha ho na ho doesn't matter sometimes.
Yeah.
Most of the times,
Yeah.
if I'm not wrong.
Yeah. I absolutely agree.
So I think yes, we have to pitch nicely. So coming back to the institutes, I belong from tier 2. So मैं बहुत परेशान हूँ एक चीज़ से.
Yeah.
So I have 20% of my students, they already did some course. I can vouch for this that 90% of the institutes, especially in tier 2, they are misleading. I don't know what are they teaching. I remember one parent coming to me and saying कि यार तुम digital marketers ना बुद्धू बनाते हो. And I just feel bad about it because this is my Vidya, this is my Saraswati. So what do you have to say about this? It's like, ये कैसे change होगा sir?
Like it's like my dad always tells me that in every business there are two B's, a billionaire and a beggar. It could be picking up garbage. it could be real estate, it could be education, but there are two B's in every industry, a billionaire and a beggar. Now the difference is only one, who is doing it amazingly well and who is just trying to do it to survive and trying to make a living for them. अगर आपको सस्ता टिकाऊ काम चाहिए, बस हाँ नाम के लिए कुछ कर लिया, तो आप naturally gravitate होगे वो इंस्टीट्यूट्स के पास जहाँ पे there is no meat, there is no real substance. बट अगर आप बहुत ही सीरियस इंटेंट से आ रहे हो तो आप रिसर्च कड़क करोगे.
करेक्ट.
और जब आप रिसर्च कड़क करोगे आपको रियलाइज होगा कि आपकी इंटेंट की रिक्वायरमेंट एक टाइप की स्कूल या एक टाइप की डिलीवरी प्रोवाइडर ही मैच कर सकती है. सो देन आई वुड से डोंट ब्लेम द पर्सन हु इज ऑफरिंग दैट लो क्वालिटी कोर्स, रादर ब्लेम द पर्सन हु इज ट्राइंग टू बाय दीज and has to map their intent and their research correctly. Right? क्योंकि सेलर तब है जब बायर है.
करेक्ट.
वो सेम बायर 6 महीने के बाद मैच्योर होगा और बोलेगा यहाँ पे तो कुछ भी नहीं सीखा यार, चल लेट मी गो टू वीडा. You know, it is seeming like a far more relevant institute. Or okay, let me go to IID whatsoever.
Correct.
So
Yeah,
that's my view on it.
So yes, I think billionaires and beggars. That's
Yeah,
my-
in every industry, boss.
And like stretching this point more, let's talk about the agency perspective. I think how much it is important to be a marketer before being a digital marketer. Because people learn digital, they just learn the tools. I think we are creating operators more than marketers. Don't you think? Because of the tool world.
If you don't understand marketing, you will never be successful in digital marketing. That's for sure. And a lot of these institutes are actually getting created because they are going tool focus. Tools change every year, every 6 months, and that's why a lot of these institutes fail. Core research, context, consumer behavior, messaging, right? The right communication, competitive research. ये चीजें अगर एक मार्केटर ने नहीं सीखी पहले,
Correct.
तो यार डिजिटल मार्केटिंग तो बहुत दूर की बात होगी. देन ही इज जस्ट अ टूल ऑपरेटर, राइट? एंड कंपनी में एक्चुअली तेरे को दोनों टाइप के लोग चाहिए. वो भी है, तेरे को एक ऑपरेटर भी चाहिए जो ज्यादा सोच नहीं रहा है अभी के टाइम पे, वो ग्रो होगा अगले 2-3 साल में.
Correct.
बट तेरे को एक एंट्री लेवल ऑपरेटर भी चाहिए और तेरे को एक स्ट्रेटेजिस्ट भी चाहिए. तेरे को दोनों टाइप के लोग चाहिए हर कंपनी में. सो it's important if you want to go up the ladder, boss, marketing is a core must. To understand consumer behavior, competitive research and messaging. This is very important.
I think, sir, when I see, I still meet a lot of clients, when I meet new clients, big clients from like even multinational companies in the matter of fact. So they still say कि यार हमारा डिजिटल सही नहीं चल रहा है. The adaptation to change है वो आया नहीं है उनके अभी तक. And I think उसका core reason ये है, correct me if I'm wrong, they always say one thing, they use social media as a publicity platform, as a posting platform, rather than creating a community out of it. How much that is correct? Like,
I think
they just post.
don't do it. Don't waste time.
Yeah.
Yeah. For me, unless and until you're not able to give value to the opposite person, there is no buying happening. तो जब तक आपने सामने वाले बंदे को कुछ सिखाया नहीं, हंसाया नहीं, हैप्पी नहीं फील करवाया, राइट, तब तक वो बंदा आपको याद नहीं रखने वाला है. So if you're just posting for the sake of posting, what you're actually doing is you're just wasting your money and your energy, which I think are the most important resources, energy. So everybody has to change their perspective that social media is the only place where you have to give value. Now, value could be even laughter. It could be happiness. It could be inspiration. It could be information. But if you're not giving value, no one remembers you because social media is now so noisy. Do you know, and this is for everybody, do you know, in 1 hour of Instagram usage, how many ads do you come across? Take a wild guess.
I think I observed that whenever you scroll 3 times you get 1 ad.
तो बस एक अंदाजा लगाओ कि 1 घंटे में एक बंदे को कितने एड्स दिखते हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे
Make so I think around 50 or 60 something.
1 घंटे में 50 or 60. An average human being averages 15 ads per minute on Instagram.
Okay.
Okay, a bare minimum of 15 ads per minute.
1 minute.
Yes, which means that an average human being on 1 hour of time spent on Instagram will range between 900 to 1,000 ads an hour.
That is insane.
That is insane, right? And absolutely no one knows that. No one knows that because no one's counting that. Human beings have now the memory of a goldfish, right? तो आपको इतना सोचना है कि अगर आप वैल्यू नहीं दे पाए, कम्युनिटी नहीं क्रिएट कर पाए, कॉन्टेक्स्ट और वैल्यू नहीं दे पाए, तो आपको कोई याद रखने वाला है नहीं, तो भूल जाओ और बंद करो ये सब टाइम पास.
Don't you think they should also change their hierarchy in the matter of fact when they are hiring? Because in I saw in one of Tanmay Bhatt's video that he was saying that you should always, especially in big companies. So I don't want to take the name of the company, but I met someone very big from a very big company before few days in Gurgaon, and he was leading it. So उसको कुछ नहीं आता था digitally.
Sure,
उसको कुछ पता ही नहीं था, and he was leading it.
sure,
I think he's making 7 figures a year when it comes to his job.
sure,
Good job. But
sure.
I pitched him. I made a presentation. I spent around 2 months. I created 10 cinematic videos for him, and I couldn't convince him that fundamentally you are wrong. मुझे ये फील हुआ कि इसके जगह में जो कंपनी का मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर है, इसको हटा के he should keep someone who knows the world. मतलब
Yeah. लेकिन ऐसा 10 साल के बाद नहीं दिखेगा आपको.
10 साल लगेगा ना सर पर अभी.
बिकॉज डिजिटली इंडिया में अभी सिर्फ और सिर्फ 12-13 साल पुराना है. राइट, आर पीक डिजिटल रिक्वायरमेंट स्टार्टेड इन 2016 जब जियो आया. जियो ने सबको फ्री सिम कार्ड्स दिए, 35 करोड़ ऑनलाइन इंडियंस से हम लोग 50 करोड़ ऑनलाइन इंडियंस हो गए. सो पॉइंट ये है कि अभी 10 years जियो का खत्म होगा. राइट, सो ये लास्ट 10 years में
we used to talk about this in our class.
Yeah.
You always used to say कि 100 crores होने वाले हैं.
Yeah.
मैं भी ये बहुत बोल के बेचा हूँ लोगों को सर.
ये हो गया है,
Yeah.
right?
अब हो गया है.
अब हो गया है.
You're sitting on 100 crores right now. Yeah.
So point ये है कि that basically means that only talent worth 10 to 15 years is sitting in the market who understands digital marketing. Right? Because imagine someone, ये कॉन्सेप्ट था ही नहीं पहले.
Correct.
लेकिन मार्केटिंग या फाइनेंस तो अभी जनरेशन से है, तो लोगों को ज़्यादा नॉलेज है उसके बारे में. सो अगले 10-20 साल में हर बंदे को डिजिटल मार्केटिंग तो आएगा ही, बिकॉज वो उसका ग्राउंड ट्रेनिंग होगा.
Correct.
सो इट्स गोना स्टिल टेक सम मोर टाइम. एंड बेस्ट पार्ट ये है, दैट मीन्स डिमांड हाई है, सप्लाई लो है, एडवांटेज लेने का टाइम अभी भी 10 साल के लिए है.
Yeah, I think that is nice.
एडवांटेज लेने का
थोड़ा
टाइम है.
पैसे बना सकते हैं 10
हाँ, आई
साल.
मीन आप फेम कमा सकते हो, नाम कमा सकते हो, पैसे कमा सकते हो, बिकॉज
तो अभी सैचुरेशन नहीं आया है.
नॉट एट ऑल, अभी तो दूर है. और 50 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन आनी बाकी है इंडिया की, राइट? और 50 करोड़ पॉपुलेशन आनी बाकी है. अफ्रीका की कोई पॉपुलेशन आई नहीं है अब तक, राइट, डिजिटल में. तो अभी तो टाइम है. दिस इज द मोमेंट, क्योंकि अभी रियलाइजेशन हो गई है और अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है. पहले पीपल डिड नॉट रियलाइज हाउ इम्पोर्टेंट इज डिजिटल मार्केटिंग, और अपॉर्चुनिटी थी. तो डिसीजन मेकर्स को कन्विंस करने में टाइम लग रहा था. अभी रियलाइजेशन है और अपॉर्चुनिटी भी है.
करेक्ट.
सो ये है एडवांटेज ऑफ बीइंग एन अर्ली डिजिटल मार्केटर.
I think, and so when we actually talk about Gen Zs, I think whenever they are working in a brand, they're trying to create a community. But when it comes to the corporates or MNCs, they're always running behind the conversions.
Yeah.
So conversion versus community, same point. So like Gen Z का approach हमेशा community के लिए ही रहता है.
Yeah. See, I mean, टारगेट ऑडियंस के ऊपर है, टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट. अगर आप गाड़ी बेच रहे हो, रियल एस्टेट बेच रहे हो, आप कुछ भी बेच रहे हो, तो आपको कन्वर्जन देखना पड़ेगा, बिकॉज कन्वर्जन is also very important because performance marketing पे आज spends बहुत high है, right? तो अगर आप conversion को track नहीं कर रहे हो तो आपका P&L पे आपका marketing spend फट जाएगा,
करेक्ट.
right? आपके ads आपके marketing spend पे फट जाएंगे. तो उसको एक कंट्रोल पे देखना है and we have to keep measuring कि boss am I making any margins on it or not. और दूसरा है कम्युनिटी एंगल, राइट? कम्युनिटी एंगल से आपको आपका अवेयरनेस, वर्ड ऑफ माउथ भी बढ़ रहा है, तो दोनों को साथ में रखना है, राइट? दोनों को एकदम साथ में रखना है. कोई भी यू कैन नॉट गो टुवर्ड्स एनी, यू कांट हैव योर नीडल गोइंग टुवर्ड्स एनी वन साइड वेरी स्पेसिफिकली, बिकॉज व्हेन आई एम ट्राइंग टू बाय अ कार और आई एम बाइंग अ हाउस, मैं ये भी देख रहा हूँ कि भाई हु एल्स हैज द सेम कार, कम्युनिटी,
Correct.
who else is living in the same building, community कौन सी है वहाँ पे. But the company owner has to also manage the community and also keep a track on conversion, because if he doesn't track the conversion, then the spends can go through the roof and boss will start making losses. So from a P&L perspective, very important to look at both.
I see. We are coming to the point which is very important for me to understand is the creator's world. So I never thought when I started working on this industry, people are going crazy about creation. Especially मुझे लगता है कि instant gratification बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. So I work with a lot of creators. So don't you think, I always believe that success should come like this. Should not come like this. सर 7 साल मैंने एक ही चीज़ की है, पसंद नहीं आ रही थी बीच में, तब भी की. But when you actually talk about the creators fraternity, do you think every company needs a full-time creator?
Interesting question. See, I really think that right now, most successful founders, right, are also creating their own content. Because content marketing में अभी, if you see, for example, let's say Oyo, Ritesh Agarwal is creating content every day. And if you see, even some Zomato, even Dipinder Goyal is now creating content.
Like everyone.
Nikhil Kamath is creating content. Absolutely everyone is creating.
हम नहीं कर रहे लेकिन frequent. Are you doing it?
I'm creating content.
Yeah.
I mean, one of my reasons to sign up for your podcast is because I'm on my content creation journey as well. I think that.
So don't you think? मुझे तो लगता है मैं थोड़ा late हो गया. You think that you're late?
I'm late. I'm very late. मेरे पास skill तो बहुत time से थी.
Correct.
हाँ, skill तो बहुत time से थी. I'm very
Danger
late.
skill.
हाँ,
I call it a danger skill.
Yeah, I am very late, but I'll just tell you a conversation I had with my wife when we were making our New Year resolution this year. And the conversation was, what is the definition of failure when it comes to content creation? So we gave ourselves 2 options by the end of it, a discussion. And by the end of it, we had 2 options. Either don't create any content and fail, or either try to create content and fail. Which option will you choose?
I think we should try to create content.
Try and fail, right? So then we both said, yaar, we both are ambitious human beings. There's no way we are going to say, नहीं यार, try भी नहीं किया, failure मान लिया. Because फिर वो failure था ही नहीं. Start ही नहीं किया, वो तो rubbish था, right? So we both said, you know what, this year we will at least try creating 100 pieces of content if we can in the year, and then if we fail, at least we know we tried, right? We tried hard, and not 1 piece, I'm saying 100 pieces of content. So dude, I really think that everybody now should start creating content, and I am motivating all my students, all my teachers, because I think that content allows you to talk more about yourself without you physically being there, right? Your personal content. So it gives you more eyeballs, more impressions, more people remember you, more people message you, right? So if you want more from your life, then give people more. Simple, right? Lane ka relation. If you want more for yourself, give people more. So create content because you want to give value. Create content because you have that information. So I really think, dekh bhai, डिजिटल मार्केटिंग में कितने सारे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स है, एजुकेशन में कितने सारे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स है. अभी मुझे नहीं पता कि उनका स्किल लेवल क्या है, नॉलेज लेवल क्या है. मुझे मेरा स्किल लेवल पता है, मेरा नॉलेज लेवल पता है. तो मैं लेट हूँ, वो चलेगा. लेकिन एक बार वर्ल्ड ने मेरा नॉलेज देख लिया या मेरा स्किल लेवल देख लिया, उसकी ग्रोथ रेट अमेजिंग होगी, राइट? सो इवेंचुअली इट्स अबाउट 10 साल में कौन से क्रिएटर्स ये फील्ड में पॉपुलर हो गए. सो आई एम नॉट वरीड अबाउट हाउ लेट आई एम जस्ट वरीड अबाउट नॉट कॉलिंग माई सेल्फ अ फेलियर.
Yeah. And apart from that, sir, there are 2 points which I wanted to talk about. First is, I think, sir, I was late because I always thought कि मैं कुछ अच्छा बनाऊंगा, मैं कुछ अलग बनाऊंगा. उस अलग होने के चक्कर में I think I always focused on quality, but I think the time is demanding quantity.
Okay.
Do you agree with this?
No.
No. So, but यही हो रहा है. If you're posting, so this is my 7th podcast, right? I think when you post frequently every day, so I was just reading a case study this morning about some Bollywood page. They post 100 times a day.
Yeah, sure.
I went bonkers कि ये क्या हो रहा है. So don't you think quantity तो चाहिए ही चाहिए?
आई थिंक यहाँ पे डेफिनेशन ऑफ क्वांटिटी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आई थिंक जो सबसे ज़्यादा चाहिए वो है कंसिस्टेंसी, राइट? अगर
Same consistency, quantity.
लेकिन मेरे मन में क्वांटिटी, जैसे आपने बताया 100 पीसेज अ डे या 10 पीसेज अ डे, मेरे मन में वो था. मेरे मन में इवन इफ यू पोस्ट once or twice a week, but you give the right information to the people, it'll work. You know, for me it is like somebody should come to Instagram or whichever platform, YouTube, to say करण ने पोस्ट किया क्या, चल देखते हैं, उसने कुछ नया डाला क्या, चल वो देखने जाते हैं. जब तक वो फीलिंग क्रिएट नहीं हो रही है, और अगर अभी एक रीसेंट कंटेंट क्रिएटर है, मैं नाम तो आई वोंट टेक द नेम, बट यार whenever that content creator post, तो मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे आता है, अरे यार पका रहा है ये, यू नो, ये कौन है यार, लाइक यू नो, ये बेचने के नाम पे कुछ भी बोल रहा है. जस्ट मूव ऑन मैन, कम ऑन, इसको अनफॉलो करने का टाइम आ गया है अभी, यू नो, ये पका रहे हैं लोग, राइट? यू वांट समवन, क्योंकि इतना नॉलेज किसी के पास नहीं है कि वो हर दिन कुछ ना कुछ वैल्यूएबल टेबल पे लेके आए, राइट? तो एक ऐसा सैचुरेशन टाइम आ जाएगा व्हेन यू आर लाइक ये पका रहा है, लाइक व्हाट इज दिस गाय सेइंग, ही इज नॉट ब्रिंगिंग एनी वैल्यू एनीमोर. For me, I want content to be like how I want to build my educational institution. I want more applications. I want more people trying to come to me than the number of people I can manage. Right? That's when I know I'm building something quality which will last long. Right? So that's my view on it.
So I think half knowledge is the worst knowledge.
It's horrible.
And nowadays it is very easy to just pick up your phone and start shooting the content.
Yeah.
So ये भी तो हो रहा है ना सर, कंटेंट क्रिएशन में लोगों के पास दे जस्ट हैव सम नॉलेज ऑफ इट एंड दे जस्ट स्टार्ट शूटिंग इट. तो जो व्यूअर्स हैं वो भी मिसलीड हो रहे हैं कहीं ना कहीं. सो समटाइम्स मिस इन्फॉर्मेशन एंड टू मच इन्फॉर्मेशन. कभी कभार मुझे लगता है सर ज़्यादा ज्ञान भी अच्छा नहीं होता है.
Yeah.
You know, so you end up not executing stuff because of too much gyan.
Yeah.
And especially when you actually, so I think I can also see that you're wearing a Whoop band. I am also doing the same.
Yeah.
So I think,
This is too much information sometimes.
yeah, sometimes I think sir, इसकी वजह से मुझे ज़्यादा anxiety होने लगती है.
Yeah.
कि you know आज
I actually wore the Whoop band for a year, and then I got too much anxiety. I threw it away, and then I bought it back 6 months later, and I got the upgraded version. I said, "Chala, back," because now I can control that anxiety, and I don't get anxious anymore.
oh
Yeah, but for the first few months, oh भाई, अगर मेरे Whoop band ने मुझे बताया कि मेरी रिकवरी स्कोर 40% है,
sorry sir,
मैं हाफ नहीं ले लूंगा, मैं घर में जाके सो जाऊंगा, ठीक है कि मुझे
I think मेरे साथ भी होता है ये.
और अभी ऐसा नहीं है. Now I know that I can trust my body more than I can trust the band. Right? And I know कि हो गया मेरे को अभी इसमें. I'm now on this band, पहले 1 full year, then 6 months break, back on it now.
But again, coming back to the point, if I talk about wellness industry, if I talk about healthcare, I just read about health a lot, especially medical industry is now turning into wellness industry.
Yeah.
Purely, like nutraceutical का game भी dangerously बढ़ रहा है.
Yeah.
So, अगर मैं, if I'll be specific, because of the content creators, I am consuming a lot of misleaded content.
Yeah.
सर फ्रीडम है ना, कोई भी कैमरा उठाया दे कैन स्टार्ट शूटिंग.
Yeah.
तो पहला क्वेश्चन तो ये है कि कुछ रेगुलेशंस होगा कि नहीं सर? कोई भी आगे ज्ञान देगा तो वो सही नहीं होगा ना.
देखिए, आई एम गोना कम बैक टू द सेम आंसर. उनको कौन बनाता है कंटेंट क्रिएटर? कंटेंट कंज्यूमर. तो सबसे पहले कंटेंट कंज्यूमर उनको वो करेंसी दे रहे हैं कंटेंट क्रिएटर बनने का. राइट. सो भाई, अगर कोई खरीदने के लिए है तो कोई बेचने के लिए है. राइट. सो कंटेंट क्रिएटर तब बनता है जब कंटेंट कंज्यूमर है. राइट. एंड कंटेंट कंज्यूमर इज अस. राइट. वी आर द कंटेंट कंज्यूमर. So it's really up to us to understand what's right, what's wrong. And the day each individual does that for themselves, वो content creator खत्म हो जाएगा. Right? So
I don't you think there was this session happened in the US in which they were interviewing the TikTok founder, in which they actually spoke about in China when Chinese people are crazy. So whenever they doom scroll, they 80% of the time what they watch is education.
oh really?
Yeah.
I don't know that.
And in India, what we watch is entertainment.
Yeah.
So the viewers you are talking about, जो content creators को बड़ा बना रहे हैं, जो cringe भी ले रहे हैं, कुछ भी ले रहे हैं, तो I think सर हमारा भी algorithm कुछ तो change होना चाहिए इंडिया को लेके, because I know 80% of, sir, trust me, if we're talking, we're having an intellectual stimulation right now.
Right.
इसके viewers थोड़े कम ही होंगे, और मुझे लगता है कि कोई डांस करेगा या if someone will talk shit, if someone will entertain,
Yeah.
वो ऊपर चला जाएगा. तो ये रेगुलेशन इंडिया में अभी भी नहीं आया है. मैंने एक सेंट्रल मिनिस्टर से आई मेट बिफोर अ मंथ, मैंने बोला भी था कि थोड़ा बोलो, कुछ हो सकता है इसमें, तो कुछ बात करो.
That would be a great suggestion, I think.
Yeah.
I think if the world algorithm changes to education,
सो चाइना में हो रहा है ये, ट्रस्ट मी. चाइना में पीपल वॉच एजुकेशन मोर देन एंटरटेनमेंट.
तो अगर ये होगा तो that will be a great change. I'm just saying कि मैंने मेरे lifestyle में एक change किया है अभी. I can open my phone and show you कि my average Instagram consumption per day क्या है. I have managed to reduce my average Instagram consumption per day from 40 minutes a day now down to 13 minutes a day per day. मैंने conscious call लिया है, और in exchange मेरे दूसरा, I'm not saying कि मेरा time spent on phone कम हुआ है, ऐसा तो हुआ ही नहीं है. Right? लेकिन मेरा 2 प्लेटफॉर्म्स पे टाइम स्पेंड रिडिकुलसली बढ़ गया है अभी. जितना भी मैं इंस्टाग्राम पे था उतना अभी मैं यूट्यूब पे आ गया हूँ, इतना मैं लिंक्डइन पे आ गया हूँ. और इससे beneath what has happened very simply is that YouTube shorts are far more educational than anything on Instagram, because there is no cringe content on YouTube.
I agree.
Right? So if you make a decision to do that for yourself, right, because YouTube पे क्या दिखता है जो आपने previously search किया था.
Correct.
So आपकी search history is generally curiosity, और search history से बनता है algorithm for YouTube shorts. So you can drastically change your lifestyle, your output by just making that one decision of moving away from Instagram to YouTube. Try it. It took me a few days, but I think like if I had to tell my students, I'd tell them this. Then try moving to LinkedIn, because network वहाँ से बन रहा है और education बन रहा है YouTube से. Right? So मेरे लिए अभी networking, YouTube, networking, LinkedIn, knowledge, YouTube, entertainment, Instagram. So it's about now us reprioritizing our life. So go back, self-reflect and think for a second, मुझे चाहिए क्या? तो अगर आपके motives है education, networking, then अपने iPhone पे या Android पे वो cap डाल दो, minutes per day or whatsoever, so that you're blocking off Instagram. But I think that is your quickest solution to solve the brain drain from just horrible cringe content on reels.
आई थिंक सर लॉन्ग फॉर्म में स्विच हो जाना चाहिए ना. इंस्टेंट ग्रेटिफिकेशन अच्छा नहीं है सर. आई सी समवन इज डांसिंग,
Yeah.
then I see someone is jumping from a roof,
Yeah.
and I see someone is teaching me about how to wear my tux.
Yeah.
सर जोन ही चेंज हो जा रहा है ना.
Yeah.
ब्रेन कंफ्यूज हो जाता है.
Yeah, man. Yeah. But this is what I would say. Like, this has been my hack, and I've just done this since 1 month.
हाँ, I think that's a nice hack.
Yeah, and just try this, and I think it'll change the game.
I think, whenever we talk about the rural audience, earlier when I started working in this industry, people always used to say, please make sure that tier 3, tier 4 में, some तालुका में मेरा ad नहीं जाना चाहिए. वहाँ पे conversions नहीं होंगे. पहले बोलते थे सर, before 5-7 years. Suddenly, the penetration in rural areas is even higher than the urban areas
Yeah,
because वो free बैठे हैं.
yeah.
So coming back to the point which I spoke of, people who are actually watching time pass वाला content दिन भर time pass कर रहे हैं सर. So don't you think it is making them more lazy and unproductive?
I 100% agree.
कुछ भी देख रहे हैं सर.
अभी मेरे घर में काम चल रहा है. सो स्कूल में भी काम चल रहा है. क्लासरूम्स चेंज कर रहे हैं, रेनोवेट कर रहे हैं. तो आज की ही बात है, मैं घर से निकला तो 3 कारपेंटर्स थे मेरे घर पे. सब लोग अलग अलग ऐप्स पे, कोई मौज पे, सब लोकल ऐप्स है, अलग अलग ऐप्स. मौज राइट, लोकल ऐप्स है सब कुछ. they use share chat more than WhatsApp.
I don't know, they use something.
Share chat has far more penetration in India than WhatsApp
Ooh,
because it's a
मुझे पता ही नहीं था ये.
it's a much better vernacular messaging tool in India than WhatsApp. मतलब WhatsApp रूरल में तो पहुंच ही नहीं पाया, शेयर चैट पहुंच गया वहाँ पे पहले. I was seeing कि सब लोग अलग अलग टाइप का कॉमेडी कंटेंट देख रहे हैं, कोई क्रिंज कंटेंट देख रहे हैं, सास बहू टाइप कंटेंट देख रहे हैं. I was like क्या. फिर मैं घर से निकला, यहाँ पे आया, यहाँ पे भी कंस्ट्रक्शन चल रहा है, यहाँ पे भी वो लोग वही ऐसा कंटेंट देख रहे थे. सो आई रिलेट टू यू. और मेरे ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ tier 3 tier 4 का जो ऑडियंस है they are watching such content, but even in office man, even students, they are all watching such content, different types of content. So I 100% agree with you that there is a massive wastage of quality manpower today, just wasting time consuming content, creating more anxiety in them, creating stupid expectations of life. So I to say that it's a bad thing. I loved your suggestion that if at a governmental level we can shift algorithm and get people to start consuming smarter content, will be the greatest change we could have ever made.
I think. So I think we should pitch Modi ji together.
We should go and pitch Modi ji together.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that. Because if we can do that, I think at least India, we are the world's largest young population, right? If our human capital becomes better, तो कहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे हम?
And I think just trust me, I read somewhere China का ये plan है. China is very smart. They are wanting us to make more lazy, more dumb because of this TikTok game. And ये हुआ था China में. And when I was in China, I felt I downloaded what it is called? Some
TikTok, WeChat.
TikTok I downloaded, WeChat I downloaded, and I made a Chinese ID. Information भी डाली, 2 दिन उसको fill किया. उसके बाद I started scrolling. I saw only education. ये मैंने observe किया है सर.
Wow.
So they are playing with us. So मोदी जी आप सुनो इसको और change करिए इसको please. I think we have had enough of digital stuff. Now coming to the hero part of the podcast, which is my favorite part, is entrepreneurship.
Okay.
I think sir I have been मैंने बोला ना सर, मुझे डिजिटल एजुकेशन से ज़्यादा हर वो चीज़ अट्रैक्ट की है, स्पेशली विथ यू व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर लीडरशिप. एंड द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग विच आई एम ऑलवेज वरीड अबाउट इज द डेलीगेशन. I think if you are not a good delegator, you can never be a good leader. So just give me some suggestions, something around my delegation of authority in entrepreneurship. How do I delegate with love?
So,
Do you think it's important, sir?
of course, delegation is very important because you have to free up your schedule. Because if you are the CEO of the organization, your biggest job is to think for everyone about tomorrow. But if the CEO gets occupied in doing things to help the team today and continuously be a part of the execution role of the company today, then nobody in that full company was thinking about tomorrow. And hence delegation of the CEO's jobs to the other people is extremely important. How to do this? Simple trick. I actually signed up for a management course last year. And
Is India?
it's an American teacher who had come to India, and his name is Vern Harnish. He has a book called Scaling Up. I've read the full book. And मतलब अभी तो मैं 2.5 साल से उसकी बुक पढ़ रहा हूँ और सिर्फ 4 ही चैप्टर इम्प्लीमेंट कर पाया हूँ. एंड यार उसमें एक बहुत सिंपल ट्रिक है जो मैंने इम्प्लीमेंट की मेरे कंपनी में, विच इज़ द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ हडल्स. ओके, तो अभी हमारा एक बहुत सिंपल चीज़ है. एवरी डे आई हैव अ सिलेक्ट नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु आर द सीनियर मोस्ट गाइज इन द कंपनी. जो एक बंदा एक डिपार्टमेंट का अकाउंटेबल हेड है. अकाउंट से एक, फाइनेंस से एक, HR से एक, सेल्स से एक, मार्केटिंग से एक, टेक्नोलॉजी से एक, फिर मेरे काफ़ी प्रोडक्ट्स है उनके एक हेड. सो 1 person per team who I think is the senior most, who I trust the most. और हमारा हर दिन एक WhatsApp ऑडियो कॉल होता है. एवरी डे एट द सेम मिनट, एवरी डे, नो मैटर व्हाट. राइट, हमारा टाइम है 11:03. ओके, और ये सब टाइम हम ऑड रखते हैं. कोई भी टाइम 11 o'clock नहीं होगा, 11:05, 11:10, 11:30 तो कभी नहीं, 11:03. एवरीबडी गेट्स ऑन अ व्हाट्सएप ऑडियो कॉल और सब लोग को अपने डिपार्टमेंट या अपने वर्टिकल के मेट्रिक्स पहले बताने हैं, पहले 30 सेकंड में, और फिर टॉप प्रायोरिटी ऑफ द डे. ये कॉल मतलब मेरी टीम में 10-12 लोग हैं, हम लोग जो अटेंड करते हैं. सब लोग 2 मिनट के लिए बोलते हैं, 24 मिनट में ये कॉल खत्म. बट जो लेवल की अकाउंटेबिलिटी आ गई है कंपनी में, जो लेवल की ट्रांसपेरेंसी आ गई है कंपनी में, इज द बेस्ट आई हैव एवर हैड इन 9 years ऑफ ऑपरेटिंग. IID इज नाउ 10 years old. बट जो 9 years में इतनी अकाउंटेबिलिटी नहीं थी, वो लास्ट 1 साल में आ गई है. ये कॉल का स्टार्ट मैं ही करता हूँ. 11:03 आई प्रेस द व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का ऑडियो कॉल बटन. कोई किधर भी है, कोई ड्राइव कर रहा है, कोई ऑफिस पहुंच गया है, कोई बाथरूम में है, कोई कहीं भी है, सब लोग ये कॉल पे आएंगे. सब लोग को एग्जैक्टली 2 मिनट दिए जाएंगे. 30-40 seconds ऑफ स्टैट्स कैसे हो गए. आज 6 इंटरव्यूज है, आज आज 2 लोग के एनिवर्सरीज है, आज हमने ये प्लान किया है. HR में फाइनेंस बोलेगा इतना कलेक्शन हो गया है, इतना कलेक्शन बाकी है, और ये हम रोज बोलते हैं. तो जो सोच, सेम चीज रोज बोलनी है. किसी का स्क्रिप्ट चेंज नहीं हो रहा है. सब लोग सेम चीज रोज बोल रहे हैं. जितने भी मेरे प्रोडक्ट हेड्स है, जो मेरे ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज, ऑफलाइन कोर्सेज, उन लोग का एवरीडे स्टार्ट होता है और ये हम लोग को रोज बोलना है. तो एक हो गया रेपिटेशन, ऑन टाइम रेपिटेशन. और सब बंदे, every human being of the company has to be in 2 huddles. One is up the ladder huddle and one is down the ladder huddle. So all of these same guys in the morning at 10:33 have a huddle with their juniors. And the juniors report all the stats into the seniors. Then the seniors report in all the stats to me. Right? And like that, every employee of my company is in a huddle every day. And usse the level of transparency and information and delegation in the company has become smooth.
Wow.
Right? So it's my
I think that's a crazy idea. So I'm doing this for sure. But correct me if I'm wrong, the leaders you're talking about, what is their average age, every one of them?
Everyone's my age. All my leaders are my
This is the point, sir.
हाँ.
So, I think whenever we talk about Gen Z working, I think they are good, they're intelligent, they are fast, and they are creative. But still, I think they lack with commitment. Instant gratification इतना ज़्यादा है कि आज अगर कुछ समझ, if they are discussing with their friends about their job, कि आज ऐसा हुआ है, they'll discuss and they'll take the call in 2 minutes, which is actually good कि जल्दी सोच लेते हैं. But don't you think when you actually work with Gen Zs, sometimes it becomes difficult?
See,
सर ठहराव नहीं है ना उनके पास.
they definitely become difficult. And you're seeing ये कि I have accepted the ratio of 20% to 30%, which means I am saying कि अगर मैंने 10 लोग हायर किए, 2 लोग टिकेंगे यार, 2 से 3 लोग टिकेंगे।
अच्छा, आप ये मानते हो?
हाँ, और 7-8 लोग अभी तो छोड़ दे यार। मतलब तेरे पास 2 ऑप्शन है, तू उस पे रो या फिर तू इन पे फोकस कर जो 2 लोग बढ़िया है, राइट? अभी मैंने मेरे
वेरी ट्रू सर।
हाँ, मैंने तो टाइम वेस्ट करना बंद कर दिया है, राइट? बिकॉज क्या होती है, वो जो सेम बंदा जो 21, 22, 23 पे एंट्री करता है कंपनी में, ही और शी वॉन्ट्स टू ग्रो वेरी फास्ट, सब कुछ ट्राई करना है, बुरा भी बहुत जल्दी लग जाता है, और फिर 3 साल के बाद वो सेम लोग थोड़े मच्योर हो जाते हैं, और क्योंकि उनको समझ में आ जाता है कि यार कुछ उखाड़ा नहीं, राइट? You can only achieve victory in any field if you have depth of job. And depth of job can only come when you have spent a minimum of 3 years, or what we call it at IIT, 1,000 days. If you haven't spent 1,000 days in an organization, you actually haven't seen the depth of it. First you learn the job, then you start at some point, owning the job, and by the 3rd year you have absolute freedom to manage that job, vertical, whatsoever. So 3 years is the bare minimum time for you to achieve any level of depth.
So do you remember, interesting, so whenever I meet my father about any business, तुझे याद है करण ने क्या बोला था? That was
Absolutely.
the case. You remember you met my dad upstairs?
Yeah, in Jain.
I think then only he let me, he gave me the permission to start
To
the
be a
company.
part,
So
yeah.
he always remember this 1,000 day.
1,000 days, yeah.
Even where he's starting a new business, ये बोलते हैं कि 1,000 दिन लगेंगे.
1,000 दिन तो लगेंगे यार, 1,000
So
दिन.
great, sir.
10,000 hours, 10 hours a day for 1,000 days. It's generally 3 years. 10,000 hours to put foundation. कहीं भी कोई भी फील्ड में यार. तो वो सेम जेनजी 10,000 आवर्स 1,000 डेज के बाद पक जाएंगे और फिर बोलेंगे नो मैन, आई हैव टू फॉल इनटू द राइट वे ऑफ डूइंग. सो जस्ट स्टॉप वेस्टिंग टाइम ऑन देम, एक्सेप्ट इट एंड मूव ऑन इज व्हाट आई वुड से.
Fair enough. Yeah. So I think about this skill, I am more empowered, not because of my agency. आपको कभी ये feeling नहीं आया कि the skill which we are learning today, when you actually talk about the digital education stuff. So sometimes I go to a client, I teach them, I pitch them, sir ऐसे करना चाहिए, this should be your strategy, that's how your story should look. So कभी कभी don't you think you feel that this skill, this powerful skill which can change your world, don't you think I should use this skill to make a product? So मैं शायद इसलिए सोच रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैंने अभी बहुत ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं बनाए, शायद तभी मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ. बट मुझे कभी कभी सर आई जस्ट फील बैड व्हेन आई गो एंड पिच समवन जिसको मुझसे भी कम ज्ञान है, और वो just because of take off working. So Indian culture is Indian culture, you can't change that. एक फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अब अगर कोई बिल्डर का बेटा बैठा हुआ है, बिल्डर बोल रहा है कि आज से ये डील करेंगे आपके साथ, उसके पास ज्ञान नहीं है जितना होना चाहिए, मैं ये सिखा रहा हूँ, तो मुझे कभी कभी फील होता है मैं ही बिल्डर होता. कभी कभी फिर नए ब्रांड से मिलता हूँ, फिर लगता है कभी तो मुझे ही ये करना चाहिए. So don't you ever feel that we being in the industry, we know more than everyone? I mean, I think so. Maybe I'm wrong, but I should use this skill and make something crazy out of it. आपको फील नहीं हुआ कभी ऐसा? कभी तो हुआ होगा सर. Come on.
यार एक चीज तो है ना, लेकिन कि I don't know anything about real estate.
Not real estate.
I'm just saying, for example, कोई भी फील्ड, I don't know anything about wellness. I don't know. तो मुझे वहां पे जाके अगले और 1,000 दिन देने पड़ेंगे वेलनेस का W समझने के लिए या रियल एस्टेट का R और E समझने के लिए. तो हमेशा लाइफ में यही क्वेश्चन आता है, वापस से रीस्टार्ट, वापस से 1,000 दिन देके चालू. डर नहीं रहा हो, सिर्फ बोल रहा हो कि
सही बात है.
अपने आप को पूछता हो कि यार मैंने और 1,000 दिन दे दिए ये लाइन में, तो क्या मैं ये लाइन का एक्सपर्ट बन सकता हूँ? बिकॉज फॉर मी इट्स वेरी सिंपल. द रिचेस्ट इज इन द नीशेस्ट. द नीशर यू गो एंड द owner of your niche you become, the richer you become. not richer in only money, richer in your mind about
Your
it,
wisdom,
richer in your
as in.
skill, your wisdom, and money will just follow, man. So that's the question that you have to answer. क्या अलग 1000 दिन वापस देने हैं कि अपने लाइन में अपने एरिया में नंबर 1 बनना है?
So, but just think from my lens, not education point of view, but agency perspective. So, मुझे लगता है fatigue आ जाता है when you work for 10 different content. You know, अब suddenly you're working for real estate, then healthcare आ गया, आपका zone change हो गया. So, I personally sometimes think कि I should use this powerhouse of knowledge to create my product. क्योंकि सर हो सकता है बाकी लोगों को 1000 days लगेंगे बट या फिर 5000 days लगेंगे बट उनसे कम टाइम तो मुझे लगेगा ना. So the world is digital now.
So, if you find an opportunity which is high margin, high growth and massive gap, और तेरे को दिख रहा है कि ये massive gap है, massive margins है, massive growth होने वाला है, then don't stop, right? But उसको जब तक ये 2-3 चीज वैलिडेट नहीं हो रहे कि इसकी ग्रोथ क्या होने वाली है, इसके मार्जिन्स क्या है और जेन्युइनली क्या मार्केट में ये गैप है, राइट? सो ग्रोथ, गैप, मार्जिन, अगर ये 3 चीज अगर आपको दिख गए तो जाओ करो. बट अगर वो 3 चीज सिर्फ वो एक मोमेंटरी फेज में है कि नहीं ये हो सकता है तो इट्स नॉट अ बिग.
I see.
You rather finish your detailed project report on these 3 things, and if any of those are actually giving you a spark, और तेरे को लग रहा है नहीं यार, अगर मेरे 1 साल के फॉर एग्जाम्पल 3000 आवर्स में से मेरे को सिर्फ x मिल रहा है, बट मेरे यहाँ के 3000 आवर्स में मुझे x स्क्वायर मिलेगा, तो क्यों नहीं? बट उसके लिए फिर वो अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ ग्रोथ, मार्जिन और गैप बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
But you always told me कि विनीत 2 नाव में पैर मत रखो.
हाँ
सर मैं इससे पार्शली अग्री करता हूँ.
हाँ
मुझे लगता है कि आप 3-4 चीजें कर सकते हो.
हाँ.
So how do you say that? Like how do you see that?
मेरा तो बहुत सिंपल है. आई थिंक यू शुड गो एंड असेस कितने लोग, मैं सिर्फ एक जनरलिस्ट आइडिया बोल रहा हूँ, ठीक है, जनरलिस्ट, एंड इट मे नॉट बी स्पेसिफिक टू यू और स्पेसिफिक टू मी और टू एनीवन. सिंपल लेते हैं ना. लेट्स गो एंड लुक एट द रेवेन्यू ऑफ पीपल अंडर 50 to 100 crores and let's see how many of them are in 3 businesses, 4 businesses versus 1 business. Right? And where have they created more wealth for themselves and where have they created more wealth for the world? Whenever you create more wealth for the world, automatically you become the wealthiest. It's an automatic rule.
Correct.
Right? So, I in my lifetime haven't seen so many people who have been able to be in 4 businesses at the same time be able to create a lot of wealth for myself, for themselves. So ये मैंने नहीं देखा है, which is why I have always been telling you that my suggestion is one field, become the best, because people have to come walk. Everybody, मेरा simple है, people should come knocking on my door. The only way people will come knocking on my door is if they think I am the most best specialist in that field. Michael Phelps can only swim, can't play cricket. Sachin can only play cricket, can't play football. And Bhaichung Bhutia can only play, for example, football and not cricket. But then they are the best in the field and that's why they make the most.
Sir, but Adani or Ambani?
After you become the best in your field, and when you have unimaginable amount of resources now for yourself, which if you wasted them, you ate those resources or you let it donated them, then तेरे को जो करना है तो कर. But I'm saying till you don't have that loads of people knocking on your door, till then I would say try becoming the best in any one field.
I think we are coming to the end of our discussion. So thank you so much for doing this.
Thanks a lot.
I think you're done, guys. Rapid fire, yeah.
Okay.
Organic versus paid.
Organic, always.
Always.
I mean, whatever works on organic first will work 10x better on paid. So create the right content on organic.
Creators versus agency.
Both. You need both. How will you survive? Agency is the person who will contact the creator, ना?
Sir, but direct भी कर रहे हैं ना लोग अभी.
हाँ, direct कर रहे हैं, लेकिन
Direct नहीं करना चाहिए ना.
नहीं कर सकते हैं. क्यों नहीं कर सकते हैं? क्योंकि
सर हमारा धंधा बंद हो जाएगा.
like IIT दोनों करता है. We have an agency also and we contact creators ourselves as well. बट ऐसा नहीं है कि क्रिएटर्स विल ओनली हैपन, बिकॉज एजेंसी हमारे लिए कितना और काम भी करती है, किसी को पता नहीं है, राइट? बट यू नीड बोथ 100%.
And you also need via media.
Yeah.
Short form content or long form content?
लॉन्ग फॉर्म कंटेंट, बिकॉज उसमें से तुम शॉर्ट फॉर्म कंटेंट बहुत निकाल सकते हो. So
But what do you consume?
I consume short form content, and yeah, I consume short form content. Very rarely will I go long form, but जो मेरा topic है उसमें मैं घुस जाऊंगा तो long form लूंगा मैं for sure.
Correct. Static ads or influencer video?
Influencer videos, top funnel, static ads, bottom funnel.
Oh. What do you have to say about followers or views? Because अब, even if you don't have followers, you can get views.
दोनों नहीं, engagement,
Engagement.
overall engagement.
So you remember you taught me content is the king, but engagement is the queen, and the woman rules the house. Yeah? Do you even remember this?
Something like this.
Yeah?
Something like
We did that in Jai Hind.
yeah, something
Yeah,
like
yeah.
this.
So I think the last part is one piece of advice for me,
For you,
not for my viewers.
okay.
उनको वो भी तो कुछ सीखेंगे ना सर मेरे advice से.
So I will sustain to say the same thing to you, which I've been saying.
I know what it is.
Which is focus on the best performing boat. Only captain the boat which performs the best, and find a way to put everything into that one boat. Because investing in one stock, which is your own stock, can give you 300-400% yearly returns. So it might have taken some time to identify which is that one stock, now that you spend 7-8 years. पर अगर तू खुद का P&L देखेगा तो तुझे समझ में आ जाएगा कि कौन से P&L में least effort, यार X amount of effort पे Y amount of growth हुई है, Y amount of margins बन रहे हैं. और देखो वहाँ पे बहुत फोकस करना है. Like that's my, मैं अपने आप को भी यही बोलता रहता हूँ. तो ये एडवाइस आपके लिए नहीं तो मेरे लिए भी है.
7 years, great journey, and whatever I am doing, even if I am building a wellness brand or maybe a real estate, sir, सबका backbone और base digital marketing है.
That's true.
वो नहीं है तो कुछ नहीं है.
That's true.
That education, that wisdom has changed me a lot inside out. I think you can also observe some change maybe.
100%.
Yeah.
You're looking far better, mature, composed, stronger, smarter, larger teams, more offices.
Yeah.
I'm sure making more money. So fabulous. 1,000 days तेरे हो गए.
Yeah, मेरे हो गए. Thank you so much. I think we are good, sir.
Thank you so much, Vineet. It was a pleasure. Yeah.